Hey everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to replace the spark plugs in a 1994 Toyota HiLux. This guide applies to you if you have the 22R or RE motor. The 22R is a carbureted 2.4 litre 4-cylinder. If you have a diesel HiLux, I don't know what you're doing here. So let's get into it. Now according to the manual, the model of spark plug we need is the BPR5EY. Now if you're changing the spark plugs on another car and you're not sure which ones to use, what you can do is pull out one of the old spark plugs and look at the number on there. Now to change the spark plugs in this HiLux, you don't need any special tools. But if you want to be fancy and gap your spark plugs, you'll need a feeler gauge. So first things first, we need to open the bonnet. And now we can access those spark plugs on the left side of the motor. To get to the spark plug, we need to remove this lead. When doing so, don't pull on the wire, pull on the boot, otherwise you could damage it. And now we can see the top of our spark plug. To get that spark plug out, you'll need a deep socket. And now that's been loosened, this old spark plug can pull straight out. Now that's a very worn out spark plug. Okay, before the new spark plugs go in, I'll show you how to gap them correctly. So first thing we do is we need to take it out of the package. So what the gap refers to is the gap between this center electrode and this side electrode here. We need to adjust this gap to the manufacturer's specification. Now according to the manual, this gap needs to be 0.8 of a millimeter. So using this feeler gauge, I'll get out the 0.8 millimeter size and we can use that to gap the spark plug. Okay, so now we have the correct size. We stick the feeler in between the gap. And straight out of the packet, that one's perfect. Sweet. So now let's do the rest. And looks like they were all perfectly within spec. Well, since there's no need for me to adjust them, I can't really show you. I'll tell you what you would do if you had to. If the gap was too wide, all you'd have to do is bend this side electrode here until it's close enough. If it's too close, all you have to do is bend it back out. But be careful when pushing it back out. You don't use the center electrode as a lever, otherwise you could damage it. Now, let's get to putting these in. When putting the new spark plug in, make sure to do it by hand to avoid any cross-threading. Okay, now that spark plug's just in, I can use the socket to turn it easier. Okay, that's stopped. Now with spark plugs, you don't do them up tight, otherwise you could damage the thread. So once it gives me resistance by hand, I give it the tiniest amount, and that should be enough. People tend to do spark plugs up way tighter than they should be. With that new spark plug in there, we can now reconnect the lead. And that's the first spark plug done. Now it's time to do the second. That's got to be the worst spark plug I've ever seen. Since you can see it's literally burning away, that means it's running way too hot. Now it's kind of difficult to reach all the way down there and get this spark plug in. I'll show you a trick to make it much easier. All you need is a random bit of hose and your spark plug. So what you do is you put it together like that. And now suddenly I have much more reach with the spark plug. How much easier is that? Now I can tighten the second one up. And just do it up the tiniest amount. Reconnect the lead. And that's the second one done. And now with the power of editing, these next two ones won't take long at all. That's what the third one looks like. And finally, the lead can go back on. And just like that, the HiLux has new spark plugs. Make sure you change yours before they get as bad as mine were. And now you've watched this video, you have no excuse to let your plugs get that bad. So with all of that being said, I hope you enjoyed my video and learned something new. Please consider liking and subscribing.